This video series is on PLC Networking Basics using a Controllogix.
The next step is installing the EDS files on each of the laptops that will be on the net. EDS stands for Electronic Data Sheet, which are files with information about the hardware for the software to use. In this case, the software will be Rockwell's RSLinx communication software. Needs the EDS file so it can have data about the ENBT card. Follow the instructions on the screen. Click Start, select Programs, and navigate to the EDS Install tool as shown on the screen. And then on the dialog box that pops open, click the Add button. Next, select Register a directory of EDS files and also select Look in Subfolders. Then click the Browse button. Browse to the folder where your EDS files are that you're wanting to import and then click OK. Then click the Next button. The next three dialog boxes will contain the EDS files that were found, and so you'll click the Next button, leaving them all check marked. Click the Next button 3 times. Then click Finished on the 4th dialog box that appears. Then click Exit on the 5th dialog box that appears. And you're done installing the EDS files. Next, you want to install RSLinx Ethernet drivers into the RSLinx communication software. So open that up and then click from the pull down menu Communications, click on Configure Drivers. Select Ethernet devices from the drop down list of available driver types. Then click the Add New button. The first dialog box that opens up gives you the option to rename the driver to something more relevant to the real world. In our example, we renamed the driver to ENBT Ethernet. The second dialog box allows you to configure that driver. In this case, since it's an ENBT driver, you have the station numbers and the IP addresses that you decided on for this particular laptop that you're working on back in the step 1, mapping out the network. After setting the ENBT station number and IP address and setting the driver's station number, click the OK button. Before clicking the Close button, be sure that you have the word Running on both the status request column and the true status area. Now you can click the Close button. In the RSLinx window, you should see the new ENBT Ethernet driver on your left-hand side. If you don't see that in what's called the RSWho area of the RSLinx gateway, click on the RSWho icon. Call up this RSWho window, and on the left you should see your drivers, and on the right your devices. And on the left, when you click on the icons that will be blinking off and on for the ENBT Ethernet driver, then over on the right you should see your IP address with your ENBT device. If where your ENBT icon on the right is supposed to be, there's a yellow question mark instead, then that means that in the previous step you didn't install your EDS files properly, and you'll need to go over that part of the video again. Please click to pause the video and answer the question.